this. We're listening to audio from my car. This is a very old car, but I have a screen right here. This one actually has a tape deck. This screen is amazing. So easy to set up. I literally have one cable that connects right here for power, and that's all I really need. I also have a backup camera and a forward camera included. Look, right here, I got my camera in the front. This is the front camera. You can see right there. That is the front camera because it's right on the back of the screen. And then I have a backup camera right here, which I can mount in the back of my car. And you can see right now, you see my face? This is because this is the backup camera. It's got both cameras, and I have access to Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, all this option. And I love how easy it is to connect to your car. I'm using the FM transmission right now, so to see how it's connected to this station right here, I can listen to music, no other wire. This thing sounds so good. It's got the bass and everything. It's hitting so good. You can either use auxiliary cable, or you can use Bluetooth, or you can use the built-in speaker right on this thing too. So you have so many options. I love it. This thing is so simple. It's perfect. It sounds so good. This thing has revolutionized my old car that had a tape deck. Now it's in the future. Oh yeah.